Damn, that's good. Welcome to the Prohibition Kitchen. I'm Joanne, and this time I'm behind the bar. Today we're going to make a Piña Colada, and to be honest with you, this is just my third drink that I've ever made in my life, and Anthony just taught me how to make this 5 minutes ago, and as you can tell, it's pretty good because I practically almost finished it. Anyways, let's get to it. Today we are using Luxardo cherries, condensed coconut milk, pineapple juice, lime juice, orange flower water, Plantation O.F.T.D, Smith & Cross Navy Strength, and Dorado 5-year. 30 grams of condensed coconut milk, 3/4 of an ounce of lime, 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice, 3/4 of an ounce of Plantation O.F.T.D, 1 ounce of Smith & Cross, 1.5 ounces of Dorado 5-year, 1 dash of orange flower water, dry shake as hard as you can for 10 seconds. Shake on crushed ice for 10 seconds. Open pour into a double old-fashioned. Top with your preferred garnish. You could use pineapple fronds. Today, I wanted a parasol. This is not your typical Piña Colada. This cocktail is rummy, yet very well balanced. The spiciness of the O.F.T.D, the funk of Smith & Cross, and the sweet smoothness of Dorado all blend nicely together and are very well balanced by the condensed coconut milk and pineapple juice. This is very refreshing, and I absolutely love it. Click here for the Caribbean Devil, a powerful and an original daiquiri. Click here for a playlist of a bunch of other amazing cocktails.